I'm on a party. I'm in a car. Whoa, beautiful sky. Hi, Mommy. Hi. Oh, you guys jealous? Whoever's looking at this video are jealous because of the coins. What did you say, Mother?
You're funny.
You want to say that's my face?
I just did.
Okay. Earthquake! And there goes my Nana house. And there goes that. And there goes a new building. I wonder if that'll ever be done yet. We're almost home. Oh god, I never did. Well, that's the end for us, folks. Bye-bye.